Okay, hello.
Hi.
So our first question is, which is your first memory related to dance?
Um, I think it's making up dances on the street outside of my house as a child. It's the first dance related, not studying dance, but doing dances, just hanging out on the street with kids and making up dances.
If you have to think about three steps that represent dance for you in this moment, or don't represent dance,
Wow.
you can show them if you prefer.
Three steps. Um,
Three movements. What comes to your mind?
Walking, laying, jumping. Very postmodern American dance. Yeah.
And what about a soundtrack?
That represents dance.
Or
Silence.
okay.
Yeah.
And the last question is, if in this moment you could invite someone to dance with you, who would you ask for it?
My husband, my partner, it's a Julie, dramaturg.